Hello everybody! I am still a hollow, and I will stay that way for now. Actually, no I won't. Actually, yes I will. I just want to make sure that I find the place where I need to go to before I de-holify, because I'm probably going to die, because I usually do. Especially considering I haven't played much. I'm not gonna... yeah, I'm not gonna go in there. It's not worth it. So, Sniffle Souls. I hope everyone likes the name. This bit is very difficult, but you can get some armor better than mine for when I get my endurance up a bit. But just come over here. Oh, really? Hey, don't do your damn enchant thing. Or run away whilst that's active. Is it still active? Oh god. Yep. Very much still active. Ah, for fuck's sake. I wasn't sure if it was a thing that activates, or whether it's a thing that... I mean, a thing that it activates, and if you don't get caught in it, then you don't get done. You don't get affected by it. Sorry, I woke up like an hour ago, and haven't really done much yet other than drink a cup of tea. I have a mock soon as well, so I've been revising for that. But yeah, see, this is why I didn't go human, because I want to kill these bastards before going human. Grab my souls. I wonder, can you backstab these? I can't remember. As I said, it's been a long time since I've played this game, and it's been even longer since I've played it well. Well, Black Knight Sword's good for something at least, even though it's slow as hell. Right. Gotta kill some grass around here, I remember that much. You have to die. It's a shame you can't set mines or something in this game. Oh. I heard some sounds. Oh well, whatever. I'll just come over here and kill this guy. Grab Partisan. Wait for you. Kill you. Just wait here for a sec. Check out the Partisan. Yeah, that's not really for me, I don't think. But, may as well try it. Yeah, you can use it with your shield up. It's got a wide sweep. Worth a shot. May as well demonstrate some other weapons. I mean, I'll probably die to the guy up here because of it. But, oh well. Where are they? Yeah, I have a mock that I set for myself later. Not good. Uh-oh. I need to run away, run away, run away. I just woke up another one, I am an idiot. Thankfully though, I don't think they can move very quickly. Yeah, that is the wrong button. Okay, I need to run away a little more, a little more. Right, see, I could just go into the boss fight and hope to be fine, but that probably wouldn't go very well. Ow. This isn't going so well either, but I know that I won't be able to deal with the Moonlight Butterfly without Beatrice to help me out. Uh-oh. I need to run away again, 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 again. I need to run away and run away again. Whew. it slowed me down again. Are you serious? You like super cereal? I'm so boned. Especially if I wake up anything else. Even if it is just a Bulbasaur. I know I could retreat, just go back to the bonfire, but that's boring. I've already killed some of them. I may as well kill the rest that I can whilst I'm down here and see if I can get the armor. You know? Can't backstab them very well. Boom! That was nice. Not too hard. I've got one flask left to deal with the big old trap there is. I think what I'm going to do is, instead of having to actually deal with all of them, I think I might just sort of run in, grab the gear and go. Unless I can aggro some early without getting them all. I can! That's good. Visibility is so low. Okay. Kill them. I do like being able to do reasonable amounts of damage. Are you a dead one? Or... yeah, you are. Cool. Run away again, because this is not a place you want to be fighting them. You need open space. Okay, where's Mr. Nightman? I can't see him. He did wake up though, there he is. Hello, sir. Have you come to talk about our Lord and Saviour? Knight Solaire. The sun, bro. There we go, got the elite knight stuff. Some pretty nice armour to tide me by until I get to my fashion souls. Right, now I've got that. I suppose it's time to go rest up again. Screw it. I may as well open the trap. I've dealt with that, so... no, I won't. Still not worth it. If ever I'm in dire need of, I think it's some souls? I think it's like one of the lost souls in there. Then it will. But at the moment, nah, I don't need it yet. Right. So, need to be using humanity or two. Pop. And then I need to reverse following. And then I need to kindle the bonfire. Just because I prefer to have as many bonfires kindled as I can. Woo! Cool. Now let me out. No, I don't think I have enough souls to level up. There. Probably should have checked, but oh well. I'm a human now, I am indeed. I have done the Moonlight Butterfly fight before without Beatrice, because I was too low of a level to, not too low of a level, I didn't know where to find her seal, so I couldn't really do it with her, no matter how much I tried. I don't like how many footprints I can hear. Footsteps even. Okay, they're all gone now, that's good. It might have been glitch with that dude standing up. Yeah, I think it is. Take that! Kill you before you can get it to work properly. No, it's down here, isn't it? Hidden. Yeah. Whoever found this first, I'm very impressed by. Then climb up here. Keep climbing up here. Climb up here some more. Continue climbing up here. And you enter the bridge. Second boss fight, I believe. Where is it? Does it come up this side? Or does it come up that side? Oh, it comes over. Okay. Oh god, I don't like this boss fight. Go on, Beatrice. Murder it. No, don't miss. I said murder. They're very different things. Heal up. Beatrice, get to attacking. Good, Beatrice. Oh, well, kind of. There we go. My turn. Thank you, Beatrice. Soul of a Moonlight Butterfly. Wonder what that'll get me. Oh, and humanity. Always nice, always nice. Whee! Coming up the stairs, going round. They do like their kind of spiral staircases around here, don't they? Silly Lordranese people. Boom. Thank you, and thank you. And thank you, because I was in desperate need of a homeward bone. Why, you may ask? Because I could be bothered to run all the way home. Home, back to the bonfire. Because I'm a lazy bastard. Which I personally think you're not allowed to blame me for. Being lazy is a trait that many a human is guilty of having. Now then, I can probably level up now, maybe. But I'm not sure if I want to, or whether I want to get the Seal of Artorias now. I may as well just go get it later. So I'll get off my endurance. Because it's very important. Now, I can hopefully don some other armor. Perhaps. Which Wanderer, and still have a fast roll. Okay, that's cool. So, can I change this up to something else? Like the leather armor? No. So I'm only just in fast roll territory. Understandable. Understandable. Great. So I'll come across here. Kill this guy. Grab this. Come across here. Kill this guy. Or not. Woo! Did not expect to miss that. That first one. I don't like the immortality counters whilst they're waking up. Shaking himself down. Oh well. Think I can kill the demon dude now? I probably still can't. Probably can't kill Habel either. But I may as well try again. Let me just move the wire around. There we go. Because I've got to have an extension for my earphones so I can listen to the game. Which I got, but it got caught under my duvet because you know how my room's laid out. So yeah. I always think you should be able to do something with this wall over here. But as far as I'm aware, you can't. And it's very upsetting. Oh well. Hello, Mr. Demon Man. How do you do? Why are you hitting over there? Back are you? Ow. Double ow. I need to heal up. Need to heal up, and I'm dead. should have really got to the other bonfire, then tried to kill Demon Man, because I think I can do it. I just got a bit greedy there, which is extremely punishing in this game, if you let it be extremely punishing in this game. So, plan is, get to the other bonfire, after reclaiming my souls, obviously, then try and kill Demon Man once more. Then I'm afraid I'll have to end the episode there, because, as I said, got a mock that I set for myself because I'm an idiot! No, because I need the practice. So yeah, I have the mock that I need to continue revising for because I'm incredibly underprepared for it. That's better. And I need to have breakfast and whatnot, so yeah. I'm afraid that I'm gonna have to only do the one episode, and then I don't think I'll be able to upload any of them over the weekend. So that means you'll probably be seeing this on Monday. Hopefully I'll be able to record some more over the weekend. Maybe. Hopefully I can record another, like, 5 or 4 over the weekend, so that way I will have enough to be able to do, one every day next week. One every weekday next week. Maybe I'll be able to upload some during the week, but I highly, highly doubt I will. So rest here. I'm still not sure which weapon I want to use, but oh well. I said I'd get the Zweihander, but I do prefer fast weapons. Problems. Ah, no you don't. Okay. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. I don't understand this guy. How can he see? He's got a rune for a head. Just a rune carved into his neck. So how can he know where I am? He doesn't have any sensory organs. Ugh. Oh well. I guess this guy isn't an empiricalist. Oh no you don't, you jammy dodger. I know what you're trying to do. You're trying to be an idiot, that's what you're trying to do. If you're not trying, then well done, you're succeeding anyway. Ah, the anti-demon calling it an idiot burn. Oh! I'm sure that will have made this fight so much easier for me. Now the demon knows it's an idiot. How could it be anything but an easier fight? Right? Bro, you really think that's gonna work? Come on. Take it, bitch. Thank you for the Demon Titanite. Batman! Sorry. So, let's have a look at these items I've got at, shall we? Oh, my bad. So, take that one to Firekeeper Lady. This one... Special beings have special souls. The butterfly is a soul's creation of Seath the Scaleless. Use it to acquire a huge amount of souls or create a unique weapon. I don't know what type of unique weapon it is, but meh. Soul of a long-lost Firekeeper. Oh. Boost power of the Death's Flask. Or it can be used to gain humanity and restore HP. Ooh. Using the Firekeeper sword. Yeah. Basically, taking that to the Firekeeper before we go. I know, I said that I'd finish, but I've got some other business to attend to at the Firekeeper place, which involves a ring. Not sure if you guys know what on earth I'm talking about. But, trust me, you need the ring. I know it's not the one ring from Lord of said rings, though that would be pretty cool. So, how's your day been? Mine's been pretty good, been playing a game, like getting ready for school soon. Good old parry practice, now I have the health to do so. Run over here. Oh, that's the point. I wonder if there's a way to reset your stat and skills in this, like there is in Diablo. I'm so dead. Ugh me. Ugh. Oh well. Should I do the roll? I kind of want to do the roll, but I'm not sure if I should do the roll. Which way is the roll? This way. Screw it, I'm doing the roll. Yeah! Oh, I made it. I really thought that was going to miss to start with. I don't like that little bit there. So, I'm up here. I'm not going to go back to the asylum as of yet. Just want to grab this. Oh, that's not what I wanted to grab. My bad. Is this what I want to grab? Oh, I missed. Oh well. Come down here. I kind of want to just kill this guy now, because he's a douche. So you know what? I think I will. I'm going to sit at the... I'm just going to murder a bunch of Firelink Shrine, I think. But before I do, I'm going to come over here and take a seat. Here. Because the people who don't offer me anything, I may as well just claim their souls. Like this guy. He's a tough fight, but...
Lousy rat. You have some nerve. I may be crestfallen, but I'm not defenseless, you rascal! You will soon regret this!
Come on! Attack me! Let me backstab you. You know you want to. You're crestfallen, and that means that you're soon going to turn hollow. And I don't mean the good type. I mean the bad type that just don't know what on earth they're doing. At all, ever. Better. Oh. Still no backstab opportunities though. Oh well.
Not too shabby. Not too shabby. I think you've done me a favor.
I agree. I agree. Oh, it might actually be too late to kill the person and save the priestess. Because the priestess is probably already down there. But if she's already down there, why would he not be already down there? But I can't see her. She's not here! No, I'm too late! I'm too late! Okay.
Hello there. I am Beatrice. If not...
You're a douchebag, man.
Hello. But I also want you to know... Here. No.
Your voice, man. You're so evil.
Oh my... Oh. I have to await my So what if I were to teach you some... Would that...
Yeah, sure, why not?
Very well.
No.
That is a shame. Speak to me.
Look, bro. Bro. I'm gonna kill you.
By the lords! You damn fool!
No. This can't be. It can't end like
I think you'll find
this.
it already has, mate. Thank you for the humanity, you fucking douchebag. What's they say? Okay. Now then. Fuck it. I've already overran. I may as well go get this Zweihander. Shut up, Fran. I think it's Fran. probably gonna die here, I will admit. But oh well. I'm so glad this does enough damage to like make them fall apart slightly. Come over here. I think it's this one. No, that's the one with spear. They're dead. Is it this right-hander down here? Yes. And I don't want to bother trying to kill all of them, just in case they die. The binoculars just aren't worth it. So, retreat time. Then we'll check out the Zweihander, finish the business I have to attend. Man, I love this Raven, man. I mean, you can technically kill it, I think. But I don't want to. I love it too much. Yeah. Shut up, you snoring bastard. Right. So, boom, 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 boom. It does less damage, but if you upgrade it, then it does more. Because you can't really upgrade that. Type. Is that Ultimate Greatsword? The UI/UL thing? Gigantic Greatsword. You need to have a lot of strength to be able to wield it. 24. I kind of still prefer the Uchigatana, but it's only got a B, but it does have bleed, and if I upgrade it, then it might get better. I don't know. Where am I going? I'm meant to go down here. Whew! Now I'll talk to the Firekeeper. Hello. Thank you. I'll talk to this guy.
Ah, hello.
Hello.
I have your
Of
reward.
course I'll accept it. Thank you.
I am grateful to you.
That is an evil laugh.
Not enough for you.
No, it isn't. You know why? Because I know what you're up to.
But then now,
Come on.
our futures are murky.
See? Doesn't want us to be too friendly.
Our future.
Prepare for death, Lord Trek.
You leave me no.
What was that you were trying to say? Ha! Bitch. I'm not sure if you have to reload or whether you can just go to the bonfire. Let's have a look. Hopefully I haven't fucked this up. Okay, I'm going to assume you have to reload, so let's quit the game, and I can talk you through my characters as well before I reload and then go. Yeah, I know. You can save data, go start in offline mode, because I'm not connected to the internet and don't have Xbox Live, and this is on my Xbox. Which does make it a lot easier for me to run around being human, because I don't really have to worry about being invaded other than by the built-in NPC ones. So, I've got the Noble Loon in Anorlondo. I think they're my second best one. And I've got Incandescence, who I was going to make into a Sunbro. I've got Lance, the Bagface, in Blighttown. Not sure why he's in Blighttown, but oh well. The Samurai, I don't know what they're doing. I'm pretty sure that I was like trying to speedrun-ish them. I mean, obviously not speedrun, but you know, as best I could. Then there's Test, I don't know. Noble Loon again, no idea. Darius, what were they wearing on their head, man? They look cool. I can't remember. For Whale, that was just to show one of my friends how to play the game, though I'll admit I may have spent like 7 hours doing it. Then there's Weredrake, and back to the top. But anyway, we are Reeve. Please say I didn't fuck this up. I really want his drop. Uchigatana, katana, whoa, whoa. Sorry about that. That song was unnecessary. Yeah, got the drop. Bullshaka, lacquer, boo. So, let's don this ring, shall we? Boost HP, stamina, load, and breaks when removed. Boom. Can't ever take it off, but I can take off the blue tearstone ring. Thankfully. Because there is another ring that I plan on getting. I do like me my rings. I don't like how you're only allowed to wear 2 rings when you can wear multiple rings per finger, and pretty sure we've got more than 1 finger. Level up again. Don't need to get strength up again yet, but I probably can get up more endurance, but I do need to get up my vitality. So I'll do that. So I do need to be a bit healthier. Then I will be here, and I suppose I need to say goodbye. So, my name has been James. Thank you all for watching. Please remember, as I always say, to like, subscribe if you want, share it with all of the people who you know, all of them, yeah, I will see you next time, I suppose. I'll catch you cats on the flip-flop. Goodbye.